Hi friends, welcome back to ECMA 6 tutorial. So in this video we are going to discuss about the rest operator, that is the triple dot. Actually we started discussion about this triple dot operator from the previous video. We discussed about the spread operator. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about the rest parameter, right? So suppose in the simple JavaScript, if I want to do something, suppose I'm creating a sum function, right? So let's function sum, okay? And if I just want to sum something, so write console log, and here I will just print the value of a plus b. So we'll get a b value from the parameter, and let's a plus b, and let's call this function from outside of the function, right? So console log, so not console log, sum a plus b. So for a I am passing 10, and for 2 it's 20. So let's console these things. So we are getting 30. Easy. Okay, so let's, if I want to add some extra data, suppose I want to add with 30, and we have to pass this data also. So let's use C, and here also let's use C. Okay, so we are getting the output. So in this way, if I want to add the multiple data, we have to pass the multiple, but this is the problem. So if I have hundreds of records or hundreds of numbers, then will I pass this in this way? So it will take much time and it cannot be controllable, right? So how can I do this? So ECMAScript solves these problems. So instead of these things, we can get the result using the triple dot and take a variable, suppose x, right? And if I just print these things, let's see what is inside this. So just consoling these things and refresh this, we are getting all data as a array format. So problem solved. So if I get data in the array format, we can do anything. So let's use the sum operation. So let's take a result equal to by default 0, and let's sum with these three things. So just use a for loop. So we have array, so we can use loop, but in this series we have not discussed about the loop. We will discuss later, but for now the basic things, that is I equal to 0, and let's I, and it will go until the max length of this array, so x length, and then I plus plus. Okay, and inside here just do the logic. So simple result equal to result plus the value. So what is inside this? So x I. Okay, so let's take let. Okay, so before add, let's see what is inside these things. So just comment this, and I don't need this, I don't need this also. So simply console dot log and just print this. Okay, so if I print this, we can get a simple value just like variable. If I just print x, y, z, anything, we are getting in this format. So just add this, right? So just undo. Okay, and let's print this. So actually the loop is doing whatever the array is getting, it's creating a loop, and inside this loop it's adding. So by default the result is 0, and from this 0 always it's adding until the loop's length exits, right? And refresh this, we are getting the total of 60. But this time if I want to add some more things or some things extra, we don't need to pass this, or we do need to consider about these things, right? So easily we can handle this. So just refresh this, we are getting the output. So you can understand how it solved the time and how this functionality, right? So I think you can understand this video. So if you have any queries about this video, please comment in the below comment section. So next day we are going to discuss about the array destructuring, right? So this will going to be a very interesting video. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.